Hello everyone. Welcome back to my EasyTalk corner. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite things about visiting a place. Traveling is not just about visiting places, but also about learning new cultures, meeting people, collecting memories. Let's start. Last summer, I decided to take a trip to the mountains. The journey started early in the morning. I packed my bag, my clothes, snacks, and of course, my camera. On the way, I saw green fields, river, and small villages. The fresh air and beautiful view made me feel relaxed. Even before arriving, when we arrived at the mountain area, the weather was cool and refreshing. I could see big mountain covered with trees and cloud floating around them. It was like a picture from a postcard.